In this video, we're going to be making these fudgy double chocolate brownies, which are eggless and they are so easy to make. These are going to be your go-to brownies. All the ingredients to make them are listed here and they're so simple and easy to find. So first off, you're going to grease and line a baking pan and set that aside. Now in a bowl, you're going to mix together your flour, the cocoa powder, and the baking powder. Just mix and make sure that the flour is lump-free. Then to another bowl, add in the butter, the sugar, and the milk, and mix this till you have a uniform mixture and the sugar has dissolved. Now add in the dry mixture and mix just until the flour has mixed into the batter. Make sure not to overmix it. Lastly, fold in your chocolate chips using a spatula. And your brownie batter is ready. Now you just need to transfer it to your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. The longer you bake, the less fudgier they will be. I baked mine for exactly 18 minutes. And then let them cool completely unless you're impatient like me. After they're slightly done cooling, you can run a knife at the sides and take them out of the pan. Slice the brownies using a sharp knife into as big or as small pieces as you like. And that's it, you can dig in. You can see the texture of the brownies, they are so fudgy and gooey and will absolutely melt in your mouth in no time. You can also add in some nuts along with the chocolate chips for some extra crunch if you like that. These are so good. I hope you do give these a try and let me know how they turn out for you. Make sure to subscribe for new recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever I upload. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!